Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a BMW fan, or just someone who loves a properly raw, performance-focused machine, buckle up, because the 2026 BMW M2 CS has officially been unveiled, and it's everything we hoped for. And maybe a bit more. Let's start with the exterior. BMW has taken the aggressive look of the standard M2 and turned it up a few notches. The front end now features a more pronounced front splitter made of exposed carbon fiber, paired with larger air intakes to keep things cool when you're really pushing it. The kidney grills are a bit sharper and blacked out, keeping the look stealthy and mean. Down the sides, you'll spot unique lightweight wheels wrapped in sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. Behind those wheels, upgraded brakes with gold calipers. Because yes, the M2 CS isn't just about looking fast. It's built to stop hard and corner harder. Around back, there's a carbon fiber rear diffuser, a subtle ducktail spoiler, and of course that signature quad exhaust setup. Everything about it screams track weapon. Now, under the hood is where things get serious. The 2026 M2 CS packs a tuned version of BMW's 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six. While the standard M2 makes a solid 453 horsepower, the CS cranks that up to around 518 horsepower, and that's sent to the rear wheels only. Transmission options? You've got the standard 8-speed automatic, but if you're lucky, a 6-speed manual will still be offered for the purists. 0 to 60? You're looking at about 3.6 seconds, maybe even quicker in the right conditions. The suspension's been reworked too, with adaptive M dampers that have been track-tuned, stiffer bushings, and less weight overall thanks to a generous use of carbon fiber, including the roof, hood, and interior trim. Speaking of the interior, it's stripped down just enough to remind you this isn't your average M car. Lightweight carbon fiber bucket seats come standard, with Alcantara and contrast stitching throughout the cabin. You've got unique CS badging, a thick-rimmed M steering wheel, and minimal distractions. But don't worry, you still get the essentials like dual digital displays, wireless Apple CarPlay, and the latest iDrive interface. Pricing? Well, this is where it gets spicy. The 2026 BMW M2 CS is expected to start around $90,000, maybe a bit higher, depending on how limited production is. This isn't just a car, it's a future collector's piece. So what do you think? Is this the ultimate small BMW? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you love performance cars, rare editions, and all things fast and fun, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a first look. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.